Hello my friends, I am Sahid and today in this episode I want to talk about something important which you can learn native English language. You know English is everywhere nowadays. It is the go-to language for business, technology, science and even everywhere. With over 1.15 million English speakers worldwide, it is not hard to see why being fluent in English can give you a huge advantage in your career and personal life. So, if you want to open more opportunities for yourself, so learning English is very worth it. Today in this video, I am going to share some important ways to learn better English. No matter what your age level or background is, surround yourself with English. If you are serious about learning English, surround yourself with it. This means creating a fun environment for learning and practicing English every day. How you will build your English skills. Talk to native English speakers every day. Find a language exchange group to practice speaking with other learners. Engage with English speaking media. Try to practice speaking English in front of a mirror, or you can also try recording yourself to improve your English skills. Practice active listening. If you want to communicate easily English, you need to have good listening skills. It is very best part of learning English. By listening English, you can improve your vocabulary, grammar, and you can learn new words. It is very good way to understand English language. You can watch English movies, TV shows, and videos with subtitles to improve your vocabulary. It will be better for understand English language. Active listening is very important part of learning English. So try these tips and soon you will be on your way to becoming a pro. Also remember to have fun. Reading. Reading is not only fun but also a great way to start learning English. By reading in English, you will discover new words, grammar rules, and phrases that will help you communicate better. So to learn English, you have to read English books every day because it is best way to improve English language. Learning English by writing your way to fluency. Writing is a very best way to get better at English. Not only can you practice using new words and learn grammar, but it is also improves your critical thinking and helps you express your feelings better. So if you want to learn English speaking, then you have to write something every day. It is very good way to improve English language. Start write small and simple sentences every day. It is easy way to understand English language and feel more confident. Writing is a skill and it takes practice. So make sure to write regularly, even if it is just a few sentences each day. Don't be too hard on yourself. Writing is a process and it takes time to get better. So be patient and keep at it. Writing is a special way to express yourself. So enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. So practice writing every day and improve English language. Learn English speaking through daily practice. If you want to learn English speaking, then you have to practice speaking every day. Learn English speaking by talking to people who speak fluently in a natural setting. Listening to English speakers and repeating what they do to improve your English and fluency. Recording yourself speaking in English to identify the areas that need improvement. You can also monitor your progress over time and see how much you have improved. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. Learning English can be challenging, but never give up, because the more you practice, the better you will become. So in the end of this video, I want to say that if you want to learn English speaking, then you have to practice every day with me. And if you do this, then I promise you that you can learn native English language